Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Acer Aspire 3 and what's inside of it. To access this notebook's internals, you need to undo 11 Phillips head screws. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, and lift it away from the chassis.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Inside, we find a 43 watt-hours battery pack. It lasts for 12 hours and 30 minutes of web browsing, or 14 hours of video playback. To remove it, unplug the battery connector, and undo the 2 Phillips head screws, keeping it in place. Memory-wise, there are 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, working at 5500 MHz in dual-channel mode. For storage, you get one M.2 PCIe X4 slot, limited to Gen 3. The cooling inside comprises one heat pipe, a heat sink, and a large fan. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.